I'm going to show how to divide radicals using conjugates. On my right side here, I have a formula, differences of squares, a square minus b square, that equals to a plus b times a minus b. And this formula can be also used for dividing radicals, because a plus b times a minus b, those are conjugates. They are basically pairs of binomials in which the second term is the opposite of the other second term. Okay, so we're gonna use this formula to divide this expression. Okay, so you can see that in the denominator I have 5 minus square root of 5. Square root of 5 is irrational number and we need to rationalize the denominator. So what I'm gonna do is, since I already have 5 minus square root of 5, this is gonna be in a form of a minus b. So what I need another form, which is a plus b, because I want to use this formula a square minus b square. So since I have 5 minus square root of 5, now I'm gonna use 5 plus square root of 5. And since we wrote 5 plus square root of 5 in denominator, I have to do the same in the numerator. And why is that? Because 5 plus square root of 5 divided by 5 plus square root of 5 is 1. And again, if we multiply this expression by 1, we are not changing the value of this expression. Okay, so now equal sign. And as you can see, we have two binomials. So what I'm gonna do is, we have to do either box or FOIL method. So we have to multiply two binomials. I know that some students prefer box, some students prefer FOIL method. I'm gonna use the FOIL method for this one. So we have negative 1 times 5 is negative 5, and negative 1 times square root of 5 is negative square root of 5. Then I'm gonna take the second term over here. Negative square root of 2 times 5 is negative 5 square root of 2. Let me just go back and write it nicer. So this is gonna be negative 5 square root of 2. And then we have negative square root of 2 times square root of 5 is gonna be negative square root of 10. Basically, you can multiply the square roots. 2 times 5 is 10. Square root of 2 times square root of 5 is square root of 10. Okay, and negative times positive is negative. Okay, divided by, so divided by, now we're gonna use the formula. So we have a square minus b square. So we're gonna write 5 squared minus square root of 5 squared. Okay, and equal. So I can simplify numerator, and let's see, can I? Well, we have a negative 5 minus square root of 5 and minus 5 square root of 2. Those two are not like terms. Then we have negative square root of 10. Nothing here can simplify or combine like terms. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna copy this. Minus 5 minus square root of 5 minus 5 square root of 2 minus square root of 10. Oh well, that's just what it is. So divided by 5 times 5, 5 squared, 25, minus, and then when you have a square root of 5 squared, you cancel the square root sign and squared, and the answer is 5. So again, I'm gonna write the numerator in this form. 5 square root of 2 minus square root of 10 divided by 25 minus 5 is 20. Okay, seems to me that this is the final answer. There is nothing else we can simplify. We cannot just cancel negative 5 and 20 because we have a negative sign here. So this is gonna be the final answer. So please let me know if this was helpful and if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.